Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Let's dive deep into Apple's current situation and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Now, we're here to give you an in-depth understanding of what's happening. If you want to stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing any crucial updates could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. By tapping into the power of AI, you can receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.59. Now, let's examine how the stock has actually performed during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's prediction, delivering a gain of 0.34%. In other words, since being identified as a sell candidate, Apple has achieved an average daily return of 0.11%. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, offering a potential buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $182.15 is broken, it may indicate a slower rate of rising and could be an early warning for a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 10.92% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 8.52% and 21.3%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 27.74% change over the next year, suggesting a potential return between 20.61% and 37.96%. This means the price could range from $224.57 to $256.87 after a year. Our latest update for Apple brings you this headline: Apple stock price ended at $186.19 on Wednesday, with a gain of 0.567%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 10, 2024, the Apple stock price increased by 0.567%, rising from $185.14 to $186.19. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.35%, reaching a low of $183.92 and a high of $186.40. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of -3.55% overall. Notably, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 46 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.52 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $199.62, while the lowest was $130.46. Currently, the price is 6.73% or $13.43 below the 52-week high, and 18.43% or $42.07 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They also rate the P/E ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Apple's stock. Let's dive in. The Apple stock is showing mixed signals today. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, while the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term one, the overall forecast for the stock is more negative. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $191.40. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $184.27. Breaking above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. Last Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -6.02% decrease in the stock. It is expected to further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Notably, the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Let's start with support. Apple currently finds support from accumulated volume at $185.64. This means that there is a strong buying opportunity when the stock is tested at this level. We can expect an upwards reaction in price if the support holds. Moving on to risk, Apple has average movements during the day. This means that the stock tends to stay within a reasonable range. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This indicates that there is a fair level of volatility and potential for price fluctuations. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it moved $2.48 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 1.35% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.52%. In this video, we'll explore the potential trading levels for Apple. But before we dive into that, let's cover some essential fundamental data you need to know. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This is a crucial ratio that measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. For Apple, the P/E ratio is at a relatively normal level. This is often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to some other news, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for Apple stock. If Apple's stock price is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $197.57. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding Apple stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple's stock price is in decline, it may encounter its first support level at $185.64. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analysts, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris sold 5,513 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -21.889, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We have analyzed this stock and unfortunately, our evaluation is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this particular stock. Is Apple stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Apple currently holds several negative signals, and we anticipate weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 11th, we expect Apple to open down $0.687 and begin trading at $185.50. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not to be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Also, let us know your target for the stock. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day.